Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I am going to be doing something that I probably know I shouldn't be doing and something that I might end up regretting, but I'm going to do it anyways for YouTube and also because I am curious. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair using food coloring. I don't think that this is a method that is recommended, but being me, I'm very experimental and I like to try new things. So I'm going to be doing that today. But before I get started, if you are new here on my channel, hello, big welcome goes to you guys. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of my fantastic squad. And also follow me on Instagram, Sharee Anonuevo. To get started with this whole coloring process, I'm only going to be using two things, and that is white conditioner and food coloring. For the food coloring, I kind of want to stick to the pink hair that I've had. As you guys can see, it has faded out. It's back to blonde again, and I just want to have a fresh slate to put some color on. So I kind of made it fade out. So the color that I'm going to be using is the pink food dye from Wilton and burgundy. So I'm going to maybe mix these two together to kind of get the shade of pink that I want for my hair. I don't want like baby pink and I don't want to have burgundy. I kind of want to have what I had before, kind of like a dusty, smoky pink. So we'll see how this works. And I'm just going to use just a regular white conditioner. It's just by Tresemme, so you can use any white conditioner to do it. You probably could just use the food dye and just place it on your hair, but no, I don't want to do it that way. I want to actually do it with conditioner and then just add the color to my liking. And like I always mention in my videos, quick disclaimer here, I am not a hair professional. Everything that I do here on my channel is strictly just for me to test out if things like this will work. Like I've mentioned before, I'm like my own guinea pig here. So if you guys are thinking about doing things like this and you want to see if somebody has done it, I'm probably the person you want to see try things out. So I'm the guinea pig. I'm gonna try for myself. If I damage my hair, then you know that's the risk that I'm going to have to take. If you guys try it, it's all on you. If you mess up your hair, there's nobody to blame but yourself. I've gotten a few comments from my videos blaming me, you guys are blaming me for the mess that you guys did on your hair. Just to let you guys know, it's all on you. It's up to you guys to either take the bowl and the hair dryer to color your hair or a pair of scissors to chop off your hair. It's your own decision. I didn't say grab the scissors and chop your hair off, so you know what I mean? Like, don't blame anybody but yourself here. I'm just here to make content and to try out different methods to see if they work for me. So I just want to share with you guys my experience, and then if you guys pick up on it and you think it's something that you want to try, at least you know that somebody like me has tested it out and these are the results. I hope I've made myself clear that way. Alright, so with that being said, let's move on to coloring my hair. I'm just gonna change out of my outfit and put a hair coloring shirt on and try this mess of a method out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix my mixture. So I'm just gonna take my white conditioner. Just gonna squeeze a whole bunch of this into the bowl. No measurement whatsoever because I'm just using this kind of as a diluter. Okay, so we'll start off with this amount. Then I'm just gonna take this pink and mix that into the conditioner and see what color it turns out to be. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a small amount. A small amount goes a long way. I bake, so I make all these different colored icings and stuff, so I always know that a little bit of the gel goes a long way. So just mix this hoping that this will work. I have no idea if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna see. So, kind of looks like that. It's a little bit splotchy, but I might add more. Like I said, I really have no idea if this is gonna even work on my hair, if it's gonna even dye it. It might not even dye it. It might just kind of stain the hair because it is food dye. It's not hair dye, obviously. So it might just stain. So it could just be very temporary, and after a wash it will come off. I have no idea. So this is what I'm trying to do, just experimenting. But this is so far what I have. But I might just go in with maybe a little drop, not drop, but maybe a little dollop of the burgundy to mix with the pink so it's not so pink. Okay, so I'm just gonna take maybe a little bit like this, see how it turns out. Okay, I'm not even sure it made a difference. This is what we're working with here. Should I just leave it as is and try this, or? Okay, I'm gonna do maybe just a little bit more burgundy. Oh, that's not even a little bit. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Let's try this. I think I'm trying to achieve a mauve kind of shade again. Consistency is getting kind of clumpy now because of this gel. So this is what we're working with now. I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is and put it on my hair and just see how it all turns out. Okay, so I'm just gonna section off my hair into 4 quadrants. So I'm gonna put that in the middle. I'm gonna just take some hair here. I'm not gonna make this perfect or anything. I'm just going to section it and do another one here. And then I'm just gonna split the back. Okay, before getting started, I'm just gonna put some gloves on, which I already managed to get some dye on. Alright, so here goes nothing. Oh my god. What am I getting myself into? Start from the bottom and work my way up. I think I'll do it like that. I'm doing it. Oh my god. Food dye. Can you believe this is food dye on my hair? I'll be so excited if it actually does turn out. But I'm just worried that it's gonna stain everything because it's food dye. Okay, so I managed to get one side done here. So far it looks like hair dye and that it stained my hair. Yes, it looks pink. So kind of excited and nervous. So let me just move on to the rest of my hair, and oh my god, I'm eating it. Alrighty, so I just finished coloring my whole head of hair with this food dye. And I must say, guys, it's looking like something. So I'm a little bit excited to see how this is gonna turn out. If it actually is gonna stay pink or if it's just going to completely wash out and I wasted my time, I don't know. Or if it's gonna damage my hair, which I don't really think it's gonna damage my hair. I don't know. Because it's mainly just conditioner and a little bit of food coloring. I never really looked into it before I put it on my hair. I just actually just got it and plopped it on without even reading any precautions or anything like that. So I'm gonna have to find out when I wash this out. Just kind of making sure that I massage it all in there so I don't have any clumpiness. But you know, after I apply the dye, whatever the stain, I usually like to just comb it through to make sure it's all in there evenly. Hopefully it's saturated in there, and that it stained it, it tinted it, whatever. I think I'm just gonna leave this on for maybe about an hour or so, so that it actually stains it really good. And then I'm gonna wash it out and have it styled and show it to you guys. Hopefully it turns out good. If it turns out good, then I'm probably gonna do this for a while, because I do have a lot of gel still left in here. This can probably last me forever because you only need a little bit and white conditioner. So this might be my new hair coloring method, and plus it's a lot cheaper than hair dye. This is probably like $3 a bottle, and yeah, a little bit goes a long way. So we're gonna have to see. So I'll be back with you after I let this sit. I'm gonna like I said, I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour or so, depending on what. I'm just gonna keep it on, do some housework, clean up, do some laundry, and then once everything's done, boom, we'll see if this actually works out. Kind of excited and kind of nervous, so I'll check back on you guys in just a bit. Welcome back, guys. So as you guys can see from my hair, it didn't really turn out. It's not pink. It didn't really stain it at all. I mean, like if you look closely, you can see some hues of pink in there. If anything, I felt like it made my hair a little bit more icy, like an icy pink, if that's a thing. But you know, it was a trial and error kind of thing. Maybe I put a little bit too much conditioner. Maybe next time, if I do decide to try this again, which I might try again, because I do have a lot of the food coloring, and I'm not going to be using those food coloring with actual food ingredients because I've mixed some conditioner in there. So I might as well try it again. Maybe there's a different method that I gotta do in order to make it stain my hair. Maybe less conditioner, maybe mix it with water. I don't know if any of you guys know a good method to try with food coloring. I'm still willing to try it, but clearly for me right now, it did not work. My hair is back to blonde, or it's still blonde, but like I said, I feel like it made it more of an icier blonde, which I kind of dig. So maybe in actual natural lighting, you'll see the hues of pink, but you know, I still want to go pink. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna go back to actual hair dyes. But for the purpose of this video, it's just kind of an experimental kind of process, and the fact that I know this one didn't turn out, maybe there is another way for me to actually come about to doing this, to making it actually stick to my hair. At least you guys know for now that it didn't. But if you guys want to try it out, you know what, do it under your own will. Don't be like, hey, Sharee said to do it, so it's fine to do. No, take your own precautions when it comes to doing your own hair. Do your research in ways that you know won't damage your hair, or if anything, go to a professional, you know. But I like to do things for myself and just challenge myself when it comes to my hair. Like I said, experimental, and that's just the way it goes for me. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at Sharee Anonuevo. And other than that, that is about it, and I will see you guys in my next one.